This 2022 Prime Time Crusader 395 BHL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Prime Time is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a DUSK interior, sleeps 8, external shower, LP detector, Skylight, CO detector, slideout, stovetop burner, TV, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Prime Time Crusader 395 BHL is 11,674 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.